Never you can let the chainstay touch the shoulder of the motor, because it will create damage in the internal gears of the Bafang. If your installation needs a spacer, try to use the smaller spacer you can. Why? You might be fixing one problem, but you could be creating another problem. Why you have to use the narrowest spacer in case you need a spacer is, as soon as you push the motor in, you're gonna be offsetting the chain line. And we want to have the chain line as straight as possible towards the gears. We don't want to have the motor too offset away from the bottom bracket to the point that when the chain is on the first gear, we have a chain completely crossed. Another video coming to an end. If you like it, please share and subscribe to our channel. If you didn't like it, send it to your enemies.